Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your in-call status during a Microsoft Teams meeting. So if you are going to be away or you'll be back in a little while and you wish to indicate this in Microsoft Teams meeting, it's pretty simple. Just follow these steps. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now you need to go to your main account. Under your account name, you should see the current status here. Currently, I'm in this meeting, and if I click on it, you can see I'm told in call, which means I'm attending the meeting. If you just tap on this that is under your account, you can see we have an option to indicate that you are either available, and this will be indicated straight away on your account. In the meeting, it will be indicated, and also you can either change this that too busy, do not disturb, be right back, appear away, or appear offline during a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can also reset your status by just clicking on reset and it will go back to default. So that's how you can change your in-call status during a Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.